What do we have here?
As you can tell by the well, he's the bad guy.
Great. All right, we have a mission. Everyone to Saucer. All right. We know what to do. Let's pat to the beat of the music, to give Saucer our full power. Pat with us. Blast off. Hold on tight.
All right, Mario, that's gotta be it.
It's over, Nefaria. Give us our presents back.
You just had to ruin another one of my plans, didn't you? You turned Wario into a gingerbread man, and fed him to a polar bear, and retrieved one of the presents I stole fair and square. You should have just minded your own business.
This is our business. You've got nowhere left to run.
Freeze! The following sequence contains scenes that are so intense, horrific, and violent,
And expensive.
that we can only show it using a technology known as Flip-O-Rama!
Oh, no! Darn. Okay, what's next? And then...
What happened to the Flip-O-Rama?
I ran out of paper.
I can't take this anymore. I'm gonna blow. I'm about to blow. I'm gonna blow.
Get us out of here, Shadow!
Chaos control!
Unbelievable. Meddling chibi stars. I'll be back for you. Just you wait. You haven't seen the last of me.
I'm blasting off again!
Now it is time to fly again!
No!
Where am I? Ah! Where are my pants?
What the? Why is there smoke billowing from the castle? What could have happened?
Master Mario! Master Mario! Come quickly! It's an emergency!
Master Toadsworth? What is the problem? Why all the flusterings?
The princess has been kidnapped!
Aren't you a little young to save the universe?
Yes, I am.
I want your hat on my desk.
Balloony! Colin!
What? Jeremy's going to be there?
The Chronicles of Meep, Episode 40.
Meep!
Meepless in Seattle. In a world, there, I said it, happy.